We are Smart Tech Innovations, a company dedicated to new technologies. Our low-voltage cable installation service is the backbone of a solid and efficient network that we install for our clients. Follow me, I will show you the pre-wiring process. One of the first points of one of the packages that's included is the DeMark. The DeMark is made up of a Cat6 and an RG6. These cables are installed from the garage on the exterior wall and run to a central panel in the laundry room. This is what the internet companies that the client will hire will use. In the same way, a conduit is also installed, which is next to the DeMark that is also installed up to the panel. I will show you more shortly. We continue, we go to the panel place in the laundry. We are approaching the command center where the service provider company will install its router to generate the signal through our wiring. We have arrived. This is a very resistant 30-inch plastic panel which is installed during this construction time to later return to install a cover. It has a space so that the electrician can install an outlet. The cables go down until they reach this place, and we make sure to cover the cables with plastic. In this way, it is protected to avoid any damage. Also, the bottom of the panel is covered so as not to be stained with paint. This panel has enough space to install network equipment or any other device of a similar size. This process of how our technician installs the conduit, which comes from outside the garage to the panel, which will facilitate the installation of fiber optics for the service providers that the client hires. I'm in an office right now. We're installing a Cat6 internet line, and we installed it at 13 inches. We do it at the same height as the outlet box, as we can see here. The purpose of this point of the network is to facilitate the direct internet connection of some client devices without any difficulty other than Right now, we are at the access point location. A wireless access point, or WAP, is a network device that allows devices with wireless capabilities to connect to our wired network, in this case, our Cat6 on the ceiling. Our client will have the security that the signal extends throughout the area they want and connect their devices, and will be able to monitor the functionality of the access point that we will provide. Like the rest of the Ethernet lines, our technicians will install this Cat6 line to the central panel located in the laundry room or the master closet. I will continue showing more of the wiring process. Right now we are in the family room. We have a very large room. Our client has the option of mounting a TV on this wall. Customers have the facility to choose to connect a device and enjoy without any interference. We will also offer customers options to upgrade basic packages, adding local conduits, surround sound, stereos, internet connections in other rooms, and more. Right now I'll show you the connection. The basic package will have a Cat6 and an RG6. We make sure correctly that our standards and those of the builder are precise. We, as Smart Tech Innovations, make sure to bring each location directly to the panel. We have highly trained technicians to be able to produce the work in the correct time, precise, and of high quality. Right now, we're in the main room location in the same way that the other locations follow the same standards, having the same functions as the other connections, making it easier for the client to connect to the internet or satellite cable. Our technicians will do the steps again until they bring the cables to the panel. This is the moment in which we return again to each direction and coordinate with the builders the correct time to trim each of the connections that were installed at the time of the pre-wire. We test each line so that it is working correctly. In this case, it's in the office. I will continue showing you. Below, you will see the access point already covered by a white cover. The cover will be removed. We will coordinate with the client at the time they have installed their internet service provider to return and later install the access point device. We are in the room to show you how the connection was finished after the pre-wire, using quality standards and the correct connections for Cat6 and RG6. we make sure they work correctly. We head to the master room to continue showing you. This is how the location of our Cat 6 and RG6 was finished and the others were working correctly. Now let's go to the laundry. We have arrived. This is the 30-inch panel and already finished with its cover. We can see that the cover is correctly installed. In each Cat 6 cable, we make sure that it has a special ARJ45 for Cat 6 and it is working 100%. These are all the lines that were installed at pre-wire time. They have been perfect so that the provider can install the router. Likewise, the RG6 cables are also with their correct connections ready to carry the signal at any of the points that have been installed. We are pleased to see our customers satisfied and enjoying technology from home comfortably. At Smart Tech Innovations, we are concerned about the safety of our clients. This is the security system that is included in the package, an innovative-looking wireless 2 gig system. It has 3 sensors, 1 motion, it has a touch screen. Easy to use with the ability to add more sensors or glass breaks. We provide support technical to our clients.